practice day for us here at Croom National Forest. Today I'm going to show you guys a little bit what this property has to offer in terms of riding, and yeah, we're going to take you guys along on the journey for our practice day. So what's up? I got Max and Sam here. Max, what is one thing you want to improve on today?
I'm trying to work on trying to pass.
Trying to pass?
Yeah.
Good. Sam, what about you?
I'm working on endurance.
So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. Let's get it.
Hold on. Before we do anything, can I get a moment of silence for my tailgate that got destroyed this weekend? Basically, this happened. I really don't know what else to say. The tree kind of up my tailgate. So, yeah, that's all. Located right off of I-75, Croom is home to over 2,600 acres of riding area. You will find trails all throughout the forest. There's a motocross track out here and a campsite as well. Right out the gate by coming here, you will notice a giant sand pit area. This right here is one of our favorite spots to go practice. We have a little circuit right here, and we like to compete against each other and see who can do the fastest laps.
How does it feel to be dusted by your little brother?
Yeah, he got me. What should I turn? I just expect him to. It's good. What?
So after letting Max win, I'm going to switch it up a bit. I'm going to go to two wheels and ride the KTM 500 EXCF.
What's your helmet?
Also with us, we have Garrett and Angelina. They are both riding Raptor 250s and coming along for the practice. Now we're going to be heading into the woods. Croom is infamous for their whoops. You will find some of the deepest whoops in the whole state of Florida here. So this is why Croom is probably one of the most talked about places out there, and why the pros and all the racers come here to practice. For someone like me who enjoys adventure riding, I absolutely love this spot. It feels like something you find kind of out of state, where it's a little bit mountainy almost. It's just a lot of up and down, steep hill climbs, it's just a lot of fun. You won't really find this anywhere else in the state of Florida. So this area is kind of tucked away. It's close to where the motocross track is. There's like a couple parking lots over here, and it's like right behind it. So I usually look for the bathroom, and then right across the street from the bathroom, you take some trails, and then you'll find the spot.
You're riding it good. All right, Sam, so you've been riding for a couple hours now. What do you think of your YFC 450?
I think it's like a huge upgrade from the Raptor 250.
Okay, what's the biggest difference?
That one has so much more power than the Raptor. Like it actually tires you out so much more faster than it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna transition good when we go to races?
Yeah, I think I do. I will actually.
Okay.
You're gonna be able to maintain it.
All right, Gary, I saw you rode the YFC 450 as well. What do you think of it? Thanks.
I like it a lot. It's better suspension, more power. It's kind of hard to pull the clutch in and shift a little bit, but that's something I can get over just because of how fun it is.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Would you transition good to a 450 if you eventually got one?
It would take like a couple practices, but yeah, it wouldn't be that hard.
Okay. What do you think of the Raptor 250?
Better than the 400. Don't buy a 400. I'm just kidding. I think it's good for me, for my power, for my level of riding. I'm pretty new to all this, so it's a much lighter bike than my 400 than what I'm riding. Better suspension, holds my weight good. I can maintain its speed a lot better. I'm getting tired riding it, so I think I'm due for a downgrade.
Well guys, that concludes our ride at Crooms. As always, before you go anywhere, make sure you follow the park's rules and regulations and don't litter. Don't leave your trash behind. I got a bunch of new videos planned to come out very soon, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, well that's it for me, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.